that's very understandable. But my name's Jake, just like I said. Hey, I'm not fat. This shell makes me look fat. Sorry. It's just, I don't know what came over to me. Except for this fly. Damn it. I killed it. Turns out it would be a terrifly from Viva Pinata. Damn it. Well, after all, why not say all? I'm British, for goodness sake. Oh, yeah, after all, we got guillotine with that. I'm only here because you bribed me with £1,000. And I needed that for Wii Sports. Because I didn't get included. So I'd sell my Wii and just buy another one. Yeah, that's what I had to do. I like Wii Sports. It's a very fun game. I played it and it was crap. I hate you, Ellie. I hate you too. You're stupid. Yeah, you're stupid. Oh jeez. Oh yeah, that's very interesting, Mr. Seagull. I like pie too. She's the eagle. Oh, the eagle. Seagull. The seagull said that it likes pineapples, not pies. Oh, really? Okay. Jeez, that Pikachu is so stupid. I just want to kill her with my shadow form. So, Mr. Seagull, what's your favorite Wii game? Wii is not stupid. Wii is like awesome. 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 Yeah, awesome. I like Mario Galaxy. I like those are all good games. You know I like Wii Sports. Oh, you prefer the DS. That's why. You like Pokemon Mystery Dungeon? Okay, then that's it's dumb serious. I like to be Pikachu because he looks like my auntie. Yeah, she is mentally retarded. Yeah, that does explain it. Yeah, it does explain it, but you'll love her anyways. Oh, you like Winnie the Pooh on the Wii and the GameCube? Because big adventure thing? I played that game. I used to pretend I'm at a party on the first level. But the game was corrupted. I could start all over again. Seriously. Oh, don't you laugh at me? Don't you laugh at me? Don't you laugh at me? That sounds like a song. Yeah, I know. That's why we love her. And have to look after her for the rest of our lives. Oh, you have to go now? Okay, then. See you, Mr. Seagull. Hi, Mr. Seagull. Bye, Mr. Seagull. Bye, Mr. Seagull. Whee! Let's go back. Yeah, come on. Come on, guys. One at a time.